active lifestyles, encouraging cycling, walking, alongside the improvements in the sort of public transport, moving towards hopefully either an enhanced partnership or a franchising model with the bus improvement plan. And that's the real focus of the work what we're trying to do with the Combined Authority, along with local MP and all the other constituent parts, be they the GCP and the county council. It's what Cambridge is about. We need more active transport, and we've got up there Addenbrooke's Hospital, where there's a whole host of more and more people working on site, and we need to get them there quickly, reliably, but we also need to get them there safely. That's the idea.
I mean, you always were obviously the biggest cycling city in the country, weren't you? You just need to give people the infrastructure.
There's an irony, really, because Cambridge was a big cycling city, but frankly, the infrastructure was despite
it wasn't. It was, I remember.
And there's been a lot of catching up to do, and there's still more to be done. And we're part of the way there, but I think it still needs more. But we still have terrible traffic problems in Cambridge.
So we need to sort of move away, trying to get people out of the cars and being, that can only be done with reliable public transport, and that's why the whole focus, compassion, cooperation, community, it's all about, for me, it's putting a lot.
So you want an integrated solution that builds in active travel.
Integrated solution, working also with, in the course of time, but not just at a bigger picture around Cambridge and Peterborough. That's also dealing with the kind of relative isolation of the market towns in we can talk about March, we can talk about Wisbech up in the north, and then how they connect up with the bigger city.
What are their transport links like at the moment?
Not good enough. Not good enough. Yes, there is a benefit by trying to focus on improving the bus services straight away, but there's a whole idea with the Combined Authority within the next couple of months. We're rolling out a complete review and enhancement of the local transport plan, because we have to provide that as a sort of statutory expectation, and within that, we're really hoping about innovation in terms of some of the answers will come in the north as much as they will eventually come in the south.
Because presumably, like anywhere at the moment, there are job opportunities here, aren't there? There's vacancies in the labour market, isn't there? And you're trying to connect people from the outlying areas.
Indeed, and linking that in with the issue of not enough social and affordable housing, how to connect people to the job opportunities that are there. Because as I say, we've got this health campus and the kind of real focus on biomedical science in this area. It's such a frustration for me as somebody who's got a scientific background, knowing that there's kids out there in all areas of Cambridge and Peterborough, getting them trained in the right areas, getting them into some STEM type subjects, and then making sure that once they've got that enthusiasm for those sorts of subjects, being able to get them quickly into jobs and opportunities here in Cambridge. It's
Sounds
a
good
challenge.
to me.
That's kind of what you've been doing in Manchester as well. I'm learning from you in terms of your, was there any particular initiative that you did in Manchester you think that's been the real one that's to kind of helped you over the last few years?
On transport, well, it is the bringing in of Chris Boardman and taking the sort of, not just doing a scheme here or a scheme there, it's kind of saying, well, how do we build this over a long-term plan? So Chris came in and basically sat down with people all over the city region, pens in their hand. Well, if we had a route, and he took it from them and then turned it into a network. So we have a network now that we're building, and it's kind of, the whole point is do it as that. Decide the whole before you start start parts of it, I think, is what else.
Sounds like we need a Chris Boardman. I'm
you
sure
do.
there's a Chris Boardman for Cambridgeshire and Peterborough.
I tell you, every time I go to Manchester and see the free buses outside, it just makes my heart weep for Cambridge. Every bus you get on is going to cost a family.
And are they expensive?
Absolutely. I live in the other, within the city. It's £2.80 in the station. If you've got a family. It's too much.
£10 before you blinked.
And that is a real problem for us. So we've got to find ways of making bus travel really, really affordable.
You can do it.
We've all agreed. Integrated transport.
You can do it, Nick. You're the man to do it, man.
Thank you.
You're the man.
Cheers.